The hand tool in Photoshop lets you grab and move around your whole entire canvas. So if you got multiple artboards or you're working on an image and you're zoomed in, you can use this to just move between areas of the canvas. Now, I never actually physically click on the tool. Say I had the brush out and I wanted to move the canvas around. All you gotta do is hold the space bar and you'll see the little hand pop up and you can move it. It's just a shortcut to the hand tool. It's pretty easy to use. Then we got the options up here. We got your preset drop down. You can choose to scroll all windows. This is for if you have multiple documents open and you want to scroll from document to document. Then we got some zoom options, quick zoom options. You can click 100. You can choose fit to screen or fill screen. And that's it for the hand tool, guys. It's a real simple, easy to use tool that you're going to use all the time. Like I said, you're going to be better off just using the space bar to move it around. You don't actually have to click on this tool every time you want to move it. If you got any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.